You're guys live in the video. Go close to mama. Whoa! What does it say to Tito Daddy?
Thank you, Tito Daddy.
Whoa! Look at that!
Wait, can I see? Pull it down. Pull it.
She's dry.
Wait, here.
Whoa!
Grab it.
Oh yeah, she's dry. She's dry, Tito. Tito, she's dry.
Yeah. Good job. That's their Magic Mixies.
This is not a Magic Mixie. This is the opposite of a Magic Mixie.
This is a pixling called.